Why are banks so desperate to give you a credit card? And no, the answer isn't only interest. A credit card is actually a multi-engine money-making machine. One engine runs when you spend. One engine runs when you delay. One engine runs when you pay on time. One runs even when your card is lying idle in your wallet. It's not a product. It's a system. Merchant discount rate, MDR. Whenever you swipe your card, even if you pay in full, the shopkeeper pays 1.5% to 3% as a fee. This fee is called MDR. Example, you buy a $1,000 phone. The shop gets only $970. The remaining $30 goes to the bank in Visa or MasterCard. So even if you pay in full, the bank's machine runs. That's why banks encourage spending through cashback, offers, airport lounge, points, no-cost EMI, reward milestones. The hidden engine data, every swipe tells a bank where you shop, how often you shop, when you shop, what amount you can afford, what lifestyle you follow, what risks you pose, what loans you might need next. When banks know your behavior, they can sell you personal loans, EMI conversions, premium cards, insurance, wealth products. Your spending pattern becomes a predictive map of your future behavior, and it tells them how to earn from you in the next 10 years. Interest, it's powerful. Most cards charge 3% per month. That's 36% per year, before taxes and penalties. And the biggest legal illusion in personal finance is the minimum payment trap. It's a punishment disguised as a payment. We'll discuss in depth about it in episode 3. Fees. Credit cards charge annual fees, interest, late payment fees, cash withdrawal fees, and many more you don't even realize. We'll discover them in detail in episode 4. Summary. Now the answer becomes clear. Credit cards give banks guaranteed revenue through MDR, high revenue through interest, predictable customer behavior, cross-selling opportunities, long-term lock-in, extreme profitability, data advantage over every other financial product. So understand, it's not kindness or free benefits. It's one of the most profitable business models ever created. That's why banks chase you.